Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the issues that when you try to connect with your Wi-Fi and you cannot connect it and you are not unable to connect the Wi-Fi and getting the issue. So this usually happen due to iOS software bugs. So make sure that you just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix that issue. So simply just follow all the steps. The first step is that just going to the settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you just connect with any other cellular data which you have a data, so connect with that and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone maybe appeared. Make sure that you just update the latest iOS version. So after that, just go to settings and just scroll it down and just go to the transfer reset iPhone and just tap on reset and reset all the settings from here and also reset the network settings from here. After that, just go back again back and just go to the scroll down and the option of privacy and security. Just click on that and just going to the location services and just scroll it down and see the option of system services. Just click on that and just make sure that you just scroll it down and the option of significant locations and routes. So make sure it turn it on. So after that, just go back and the other step is that you just follow. To do that is your location services, all the reset, all the settings. You have to do it, and after that, you just restart your iPhone. Just press the power button and the volume up button and just off your iPhone and again on it. After on, you just have to just try to connect with your Wi-Fi. If it's not working, then you just have to just contact with your nearby phone repairing center and tell them your problem. So make sure it's a hardware issue. So that's it the video.